Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to avoid all roads on Google Maps. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Maps application on your Android and iOS, and I will just make a route. So I will just get my current location here. Okay, so just wait for it to get my current location, and it will basically get my current location here. Okay, here. So now let's suppose if I wanted to go to maybe uh, Islamabad here, so it will show me this route here. Now if I want to avoid the road or avoid the main road here, I will tap on the three dots at the top right and then the route options, and here basically I can check the first option where it says avoid highways. Click on this and click on done, and then it will be basically find the best route for me. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.